Will cleaning my magnetic strip credit card affect its functionality?
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about a very common but often misunderstood topic, whether cleaning your magnetic strip credit card can affect its functionality. This can be an important issue if your card gets dirty or if it isn't working properly. Let's get right into it.
What is the magnetic strip?
First off, it's important to understand what exactly the magnetic strip on your credit card is. It's the black bar on the back of your card, and it stores all the necessary information needed to process transactions when you swipe your card. It contains data like your account number, the cardholder's name, and the card's expiry date.
Can cleaning affect it?
So, to the heart of the matter, can cleaning the magnetic strip on your credit card affect its functionality? The answer is, it depends on how you clean it. Lightly cleaning your card's magnetic strip with a soft cloth, or even a rubber eraser, can actually help remove any debris that might interfere with the card reader's ability to read the information. So, in this case, cleaning can be beneficial. However, using harsh chemicals, abrasive materials, or soaking the card in liquid can damage the strip and render the card useless. That's because these methods can erase the encoded data or physically damage the strip.
How should you clean your card?
If your card is dirty or seems to have trouble being read, you might want to give it a gentle cleaning. Here's the correct way to do it. Use a soft, dry cloth to wipe the strip clean. Don't scrub it, just give it a gentle wipe. If the card is very dirty, you can lightly dampen the cloth with water. However, be sure the cloth is just damp, not wet. Never use anything abrasive on the card or anything that might contain chemicals. This includes cleaning solutions and most types of erasers. In conclusion, lightly cleaning your magnetic strip credit card can actually help its functionality, but cleaning it the wrong way can harm it. Remember to be gentle and avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive materials. If your card continues to give you trouble after cleaning, it's best to contact your bank or card issuer for a replacement. We hope you found this information useful and that it will help you to take better care of your credit cards.